Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we have a Kyocera S2 model, so petrol lock, and we will be hard reset it. So if you forget your password, like a petrol lock, I try to unlock, but our customer forget his password, so I wanna to hard reset it. The petrol lock not will be escaped. If you forget your pin lock, then you need to hard reset your mobile phone. I wanna show you the model of this phone, and then we will be hard. So see, it's a S2 model. It's a Docomo mobile phone. First we need to turn off mobile phone. A combination of keys like a power off volume down button. Together press the power and volume down. So now you see the start. So select the volume down button and you can reset in a fast boot mode with any tools. If you do not have any tools, so we use a fixed recovery mode. Select the recovery mode with a power button, and now our mobile phone is gone in a recovery mode. Wait for it. This is S2 model. So now is a pair. Yes, it's a 7 version of Android S2 model Kyocera. Web data factory reset, and then click yes, and then format the cache memory to fully hard reset. Web the cache partition. Our mobile phone is now clean from virus, a pattern lock, pin lock, from everything. Now reboot your system. It's a take several minutes, so I fast my videos. Wait, now phone is on. Select your language and click let's go. Skip this option. If you have the FRP lock on your mobile phone, to see the next video of this mobile phone is FRP lock and how to remove FRP lock from this mobile phone. So this is our S2 model is done. Thank you for watching.